Sydney, stop running and hit me in the living room. You made me hurt so much. Man, I can't believe that Sydney hit me in the living room while he was running. I'm still hurt so much. But what shall I do? I know. I am going to put Sydney in the washing machine. Ha 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 ha. Before I do that, I'm going to grab a net from the closet. Okay, where that net could be? Man, it's not in the closet. Well, would you look at that? There it is. Okay, now I'm going to find Sydney. I found you, Sydney. Now come with me. Here you go. Oh gosh, I think that's my dog. Sydney, are you okay? Oh, I'm glad you're okay. And what happened? What? Oh my god, I cannot believe he was doing that. I will call him to let him know. Percy, get in the laundry room right now. Max, what's going on here? Percy, Sydney told me that you put him in the washing machine. Is this true? Well, yes I did. The reason why I did it because he hit me in the living room. I'm so sorry. Oh my god, Percy, I cannot believe you put my dog in the washing machine. Now thanks to you. You are lucky that he's not in pain. Further, you are grounded for 2 weeks. Go upstairs to your room right now. Okay, Max. Oh, and Sydney, get attacked by her. Ouch, 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 stop it, stop it. It really hurts, it hurts, how? What? Hey.